In order to change the airflow on the fan, you need to change the position of the inlet damper to the fan. We use this handle right here in order to accomplish that. So in order to change the position of this damper handle, you need to loosen the 3/8 hex, rotate the handle to the position that you would like for the proper airflow, and tighten this 3/8 hex bolt onto the surface. Located at the top of the fan is a screen to prevent birds from nesting within the fan and also keep some other debris out. This is the exhaust stack from the diesel engine operation and gets very hot during operation. So this is a guard here to protect yourself from burning if you're up here working. This is the fan shaft guard, and underneath the shaft guard are two bearings, and in order to grease those bearings you use these two grease fittings here with the Zerk end on it. This is the belt guard for the belts that drive the fan. By removing 7 bolts and a handle to pull this off with, you have access to the belts. This is the box that the solenoid valves for the filter cleaning, pulse cleaning, is located. To remove this box, you undo 2 screws underneath, which I've already done. Remove the box, and inside you will find the solenoid valves, coils for the solenoid valves. The valves themselves are right underneath here. So these coils can be changed out if you ever have a problem. These provide air pressure to the poppet valve so that you get your cleaning of the filter cartridges. Compressed air for the filter cleaning takes place at this location. You plumb in your air pressure here and you set your regulator by turning this, and you need to put this gauge at 90 to 100 psi. So for a duct connection to our dust collector, remove this and put it in the open position, and then you connect your duct around here with tape and wire if you would like, and then we use this feature here. And so to support the weight of the duct, we put rope through here around the duct as it comes out of this opening. In order to remove the dust from the dust collector, you need to turn the fan off. Then you can open the slide gate. This tube runs down to a 55-gallon drum. And then we have a gearbox here that the top position gives you 3 to 1, and that's the way to do it first to break the dust free. Then you get it operating so it's running well. Then you move down to the bottom one, which is 1 to 1, which means you get a lot more speed with your removal of the dust. At the end of the operation and you're ready to start back up again, you merely close the slide gate. On our dust collector we have 4 duct storage tubes, 1, 2, 3, and then there's another one up on that side, so there are 4 of them. In order to load a piece of duct in, you take this strap, you move it out this way, you grab a hold of this bar, pull it, slide it back, and it slides out like this. You take the ductwork, slide your ductwork in, and you take your strap, again with the metal bar to the side, pull that through like this, back through the loop as a safety, and you're complete. This is the diesel engine that drives the exhaust fan, and to engage the diesel engine onto these pulleys and belts, we need to engage the power takeoff handle. We do this by bringing our RPM to 1,000 RPM and slowly engaging this, and once it's up to speed, then we click it into place, and then we can bring the RPM up for higher airflow. When we shut it off, we do the same thing. We bring the RPM down to 1,000 RPM and click it out.